Hi children, welcome back to our class. This is the third part of the lesson 10. And in previous part we studied secondary sexual characters. Then it is controlled by hormones, then male hormones and female hormones. Then next this section hormones other than sex hormones. Then the hormones are controlled by endocrine glands as studied earlier. That means it controls growth, development, behavior and reproduction. Then some other hormones of endocrine glands. First, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland secrete growth hormones. That means these pituitary gland controls our body parts growth. Then next is thyroid. Thyroid secrete thyroxine. That means thyroid gland secrete thyroxine. That means thyroid gland cannot secrete thyroxine. It can cause goiter disease. That means it is the deficiency of iodine. Then next is pancreas. Pancreas secrete insulin. Insulin less in our body to cause diabetes. Then adrenal glands to secrete adrenaline. Then ovaries it secretes estrogen, and testes it secretes testosterone. That means ovaries have to control secondary sexual characters in male females then due to the pregnancy. Then means testosterone. Then testosterone promote developing of secondary sexual characters, estrogen control and secondary sexual changes then related to pregnancy. Then next we study a less or more secretion of a particular hormone may lead to disorder in our body. That means hormone is in adequate equal amount in our body. This hormone secretion, hyposecretion or hypersecretion, it can cause the disorder in our body. Then next is role of hormones in completing the life history of insects and frogs. In previous class you already studied that life cycle of silk moth and frog. That means caterpillar can go through various stages to become adult, and frog tadpole is passes through various certain stages to frog. Then these stages of larva into adult is called metamorphosis. That means then caterpillar to form adult, then tadpole to frog. These stages in larvae to adult is called metamorphosis. Then metamorphosis in insects control insects hormones. That means these hormone means in thyroid gland produce thyroxine hormone. It is mixed with the water and iodine. Then in water iodine is less, then frog is not grow, its growing is incomplete. Then next is reproductive health. Example, in growing children very good important in balanced diet. That means nutritional needs of adolescents. In this time we have to eat adequate quantity of balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Then it's carbohydrates for energy. Example, wheat, rice, etc. Then protein for growth. Example, dal, paneer, fish, milk, meat, nuts and pulses. Then fats and sugars give energy. Example, butter, ghee, groundnuts, etc. Then we have then adolescents eat vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits contains vitamins. Example, citrus fruits. Citrus means sour taste. Example, lemon, orange. These contain vitamin C. Then cabbage contains vitamin A. Then next we eat iron rich food. Example, jaggery, amla, apple, leafy vegetables, etc. Then next step is in adolescence Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is avoid illness of the body, and that means we have to bath 2 times. Then we all time clean our body parts. All time wash our, sometimes wash our body parts. Then when after before and after we wash the hands. Then not use outside food items. Then next is physical exercise. Physical exercise help to then adolescents to fit and find their bodies. For example, we do jogging, cycling, swimming, then brisk running, etc. Then in this lesson related some say no to drugs. In adolescence period time, we have to cannot control our emotional levels. That means if somebody suggests you will get relief from confusion, tension, boredom, worries, etc. You feel better by taking some drugs. Just to say no. That means drug cause our body very illness. Some of the harmful effects of taking drugs are addictive. If you take drugs once, you feel like taking again and again. Soon the person feels he or she cannot live without drugs. Then drugs addicts become irritable and lose interest. Then drugs do physical harm to the body, thus sharing of syringe for injecting drugs first. Then in adolescence, their careless life due to some diseases. Example is AIDS. AIDS means acute immunodeficiency syndrome. That means it causes the HIV virus. That means HIV virus from human immunodeficiency virus. That means these people have to affect health people to illness people. Sharing the syringe of injection drugs, unprotected sex with an infected person, then transfusion of blood into a healthy person from an infected person, then through milk from an infected mother to an infant baby. These are the causes of AIDS. Then next is some myths and taboos, do's and don'ts. That means in older age people saying some myths. That means this time that things don't do. Then myth. A girl becomes pregnant if she looks at boys during menstruation. The mother is responsible for the sex of her child. Then girl should not be allowed to work in the kitchen during menstruation. Then a girl should always rest during menstruation. If you don't get your menstruation period, you are definitely pregnant. That means these are the myths. Then our lesson is finished. In this lesson mainly we discuss and study hormones, then adolescence period, then adolescence body changing. Adolescence period time many more changes taking place in our body. Then secondary sexual characteristics, they distinguish the male from the female. Then males produces testosterone hormone and females produce estrogen hormone, etc.